Hi, and welcome to Anne's Craft Room, where life is too short, so get out those craft supplies. Try something new and make something beautiful just for you. Hi, I thought I'd do a video as I was putting away some scraps of how I organize and keep my scrap pieces of paper. So this is a Creative Memories card pod, and it's great. It's not very big. It is, let me get my ruler out, 7.5 inches wide by 8 inches, and it is 7 inches tall. So it's perfect for keeping scraps. And then I opened it up, and it came with these colored dividers. And so that's when it gave me the idea to keep my scraps in here. And I decided that my scraps would be 5x7 or smaller. So any of my scraps that are I cut them down to 5x7 or smaller, and I just put them into the color that it goes in. And then when this gets full, what I do is I will go through then, and any of the smaller scraps, I throw them away. So then I'll go through and check them out, see what are the smaller size scraps, and get rid of those to make room for my bigger scraps. And I have found by doing this and keeping this right handy by my desk that I use it a lot more. And it's contained. If this gets full, I weed it out. These are all the scraps I have in my room. Thank you for watching, and I'll put a link to this in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.